everyone. Today we're going to go over how to draw Gawr Gura. So let's do it. It's going to be super simple and easy, like drawing streamers or VTubers, right? So let's do it. Going to go right here and I'm going to draw a line down right here for kind of the hair. Front of the hair, it's got like bangs. Curve along here, right, for the bottom of those bangs. And I'm going to pull up and down right there for kind of the side of the hair. Going to continue over here, kind of a seesaw right there for a little bit of the hair. A little bit more of the hair right there, a little bit more of these seesaw shapes right there. Just kind of getting it through there. And I'm going to go over here on this side now, on this side for this side of the face. Out over here. And I'm going to pull a line down right there for the side of the head. Out over here. And I'm going to pull down over here and back up the side. All right. Going to go over here now. Curve. Right there for one eye. Going to go over here on this side. Curve over here for the other eye, which is really the eyelash area, right? Down there. Kind of giving it some eyelash right there. Okay. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna draw a line right there. The eye's pretty big. Line up. Line down over here. Line over here and over here. Right there. So you got the other eye. Gonna draw a dot. Line, circle, line over here, and circle right there for the highlight. And I'm going to pull this line a little bit more right there, kind of show a little bit of the side of the eye right there. And line right there underneath, you can kind of see the eyebrow right there. The eye, like maybe you can even put like a thin line right there, which makes kind of no sense because it's showing through the eyebrow, through the bangs. But you know what? It'll be fine. Go over here now to the edge. Dot right there for kind of the nose. It's a little bit of a dot. Line right here for the open mouth. U shape right here for that open mouth. And now I'm going to draw out some sharp teeth at the top because she's more or less like a shark, right? Line up. All right. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. I don't normally draw a character like this, but this was a request, so absolutely let me know, like with the like, if you do like it. Down right here, another seesaw shape, another seesaw shape. Line, line, line right there. Okay, for the hair. Line underneath, up. And we're going to draw these shark shapes. She's wearing a hoodie, right, that's kind of opened up right there. Go to the top now, over here on this area. Same thing. Up, across over here, down over here, down right there for the hoodie, right? It's going to be covering her head right there. And the same thing at the top, right there. At the top, we're going to draw these shark teeth shapes, which are more or less pretty simple to do. There you go. Gonna go over here on this side. Out right there. Down. Down right here in. Okay, that's like the edge of the hoodie. And over here now we're gonna draw like the top of the hoodie. Up. Out just a little bit. And the hoodie has a little bit of fins right there. So we're going out, in right there, like that fin area. And we're going to go down in. And over here on this side now. And another, like the other side of, like the fin of the shark fin right there. So far so good. All right. Now we're going to go over here. And you can see kind of the hoodie right there on that side. Circle. Out over here down for kind of the area right there. And we're going to go line over here, downward, curve, curve right there for kind of the top of that hoodie. So now we kind of look at this and we're like, okay, what are things that are missing? Okay, one area, maybe her neck, line right there, line right there. Her neck is missing right there. We want some lines in this hair, just like a little bit, like line up, line down, line up, next to each other. We're just drawing various lines right here. Like right here, 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 line. And you want just like the directional flow of those hairlines. That's all you want. It's nothing else, no more, no less. And so the eyes, I think, need a little bit more going on in them. So I'm going to draw a little line right there for the top of the eyelid. And I'm going to draw a line down here, curve underneath, as thin as I can, that line. Line right here, thin right there. And we're going to draw it thick on this side, thick on this side. Line over here. And now, what else can we do? We draw a thin line right here underneath. And then what you could do, I was going to say another thing you could do is thicken out just this edge of the eyeshadow there. So it's going to make the eyes more prominent. And you could draw a couple little lines right there along the cheek, as is in anime as well. Some things that I think could be better would be like a line right there and a line right here. This is a little bit weird because I don't normally draw VTubers, but let me know what you think of it. This is very, very different for me, but if you do like it, you can also fill in the negative space on this side right here. See, like in the right next to where her neck is, kind of filling it out in the back. All right, and I think that really fills it out there very, very well. But also at the top of the eyes on the shark right there, dot, line right there for the nostrils of the shark. And yeah, let me know what you think of it. The best way to kind of give back to the channel is to share the video. If you share the video, it has other people see it, and yeah, it definitely helps out a lot. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. And you are amazing, okay? Share the video, and also I want you to stay here. We're going to go to another drawing video right now. Oh, whoops, one more thing. Line for the gills of that shark. Sweet. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.